SL36 CNC Lathe accessories 4-pass electric turret. High-speed tool change saves machining time. 4 tool positions for multi-operation continuous machining. Robust structure ensures machining accuracy. Improve productivity and meet diverse machining needs. Easy programming, user-friendly operation. Choose SL36 for a professional and efficient machining solution. Click the comment link to explore the SL36 CNC Lathe now.